Hello, and today we are looking at the Gemini Jet's General Aviation Cirrus SR22 in 1/72 scale. And as you can see, this model comes packaged in this really nice presentation box. On the front we have an image of the plane. Now this is identical to the plane found inside. Again, you have the model of the plane, the Cirrus SR22. Its scale here, it says 1/72 scale. It also tells you that this is a die-cast model. And then on the back, we have another image of the plane here, this time from the other side, but it's still identical to the one found inside. And then some information here about what a Gemini jet is, or in this case, a Gemini jet General Aviation Series. Now, moving back to the front of the box, as you can see, it says look inside. And if you lift up the lid, you can see the plane inside the box without having to get it out. So you can have it on display like this, really easily, keeping the model nicely protected in its box, but still easily seen on display. And on the lid here, we have some information about the plane. So at the top here, it says Cirrus SR22. We have a little history of the plane, and we'll get into a little bit of it shortly. And then some specification information here, such as length, height, and wingspan, listed in feet and inches, and then some other information you may like to know about this model, such as its empty weight, its cruising speed, its range, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself up close. Just slides out like so. We'll come back in two pieces of plastic. See, there it is. Actually here it also comes with its own little display stand, so you don't have to buy its own stand if you don't want to. Just take the top layer of plastic off gently. Now as it is, again, this is a die-cast metal model, but some of the details may be more delicate than others, so you should always handle with care. And you can see I'm talking about pieces like this. It is metal, but there are some more delicate parts, so please handle with care. But here it is, the Cirrus SR22 in 1/72 scale, in all of its wonderful detail. And let's have a look at some of those details now. You see it's got a very nice fuselage on it, real nice and detailed. You can see it's got see-through windows in the cockpit, so you can look inside and you can see the seating in there. And you can see the dashboard brief, kind of. You can see the screens in there. Got another window at the back. You can see it's got space for 4 people to sit inside it. Let's look at it from the other side. It's looking very nice. You can actually see inside the cockpit of these. Then you can see onto the wings. You can see the flaps and the ailerons on the wings. And there's little tips they go to at there. It's looking very nice. If we look underneath, you can see the level of detail is great. You've got all the detail across it, holding here. You can see the tricycle build landing gear, and these are non-retractable wheels, obviously, but they are rolling wheels, so they do actually move, as you can see. Got nice rollable wheels on this model. And of course, the big thing at the front is the propeller. So it's got a three-blade propeller. And of course, it too moves, looking very nice. And a little antenna placed at the front, and then moving towards the back. On the stabilizers, you can see the rudder and the elevators. On the vertical and horizontal stabilizers, looking very nice. So overall, it's a really nice detailed die-cast metal model of the SR22. Let's have a little bit about the SR22. Now this plane first began production in 2001 and is still produced today with a multitude of different variants. And it was first developed from the SR20 as a more powerful version of the aircraft. So there's an aircraft very similar to this, but this is the more powerful version of the SR20. Now this plane, the SR22, has been the best-selling general aviation plane every year since 2003 and is the most produced general aviation plane of the 21st century, with over 8,000 being built and is still being produced today, and is the single most produced aircraft made from composite material. So that's a nice little fun fact about this plane. You know, it's quite a successful and popular aircraft. It was also the first general aviation light aircraft to have a full glass cockpit, and as you can see here, also referring to we can see as well the screens inside. And it's one of the most popular planes these days for, you know, like things like pilot training, just other general aviation purposes. And one of the fun things about this plane, the SR22, as it has a whole plane emergency recovery parachute system, which is called the Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, or CAPS, CAPS, and that in the event of an emergency, a parachute is deployed from the rear, most likely from around here on the plane, and it allows the plane to float back down to the ground relatively gently, you know, being able to save whoever would be inside the plane. And this has contributed to its market success and has given it the nickname the plane with a parachute, as it is a plane with a parachute. As you can see, it's got a really nice livery on this one. We've got a really nice blue and silver paint job on it. Got the words carbon written right here on the elevator. And a big registration of N221CL. Very nice. And this is the same on both sides. Turn it around. Same livery across. Looking really, really nice and cool. See, you've got the blue also at the bottom of the landing gear pods. And the registration again of N221CL. Now this model has a wingspan of about 16.2 centimeters and it's about 11 centimeters long. It's got quite a nice size to it. And like I said, it comes with its own little display stand, which we will now demonstrate. It comes in these 3 parts. You've got 2 legs and then the 3rd main part. These just push together like so. And then underneath the plane, you'll see there's a little hole that you just push the stand into. And then you can place it down and have it on display like so. Really easily. It's a perfect little plane for any collector or someone who's flown this plane personally. You know, it's just a really nice, detailed die-cast metal model, great for display pieces, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.